Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to merge large files in PHP using PDF.co web API. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use these sample PDF documents and merge them into a single PDF. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's begin by starting the Apache server so that we can run the program in a local browser. Next, open your preferred PHP code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or any other code editor of your choice. Then input your PHP and HTML sample code. You can get the sample code by visiting the link in the description box below. And save the HTML and PHP sample code in your program folder. We highly recommend saving the files in a folder inside the www or the docs directory. Now let's run the program. On your browser, type localhost / your folder name / your HTML file. Next, add your PDF.co API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Then input the PDF documents you want to merge. And click the Proceed button to send a request. Once the program runs successfully, click on the resulting URL to view the output. Here's the merged PDF output. We have a lot of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.